So, is Kling 3.0 actually one of the best AI video generators right now, or is it just hype? In this video, I'll go over what Kling 3.0 is, its main features, the pros and cons, pricing, and whether it's worth using in 2026. Let's get started. What is Kling 3.0? Kling AI is an AI video generation platform developed by Kwayushu. It allows users to generate videos from text prompts or images using AI. The platform became popular because of its realistic motion, cinematic quality, and strong character consistency compared to many other AI video tools. Kling 3.0 is the latest major version and it focuses heavily on improving realism, motion control, prompt understanding, and video quality. It's mainly used for AI filmmaking, social media content, short ads, animation concepts, product videos, and creative storytelling. Main features: text to video generation. The biggest feature is text to video. You simply type a prompt and Kling generates a video based on your description. For example, a cinematic shot of a cyberpunk city at night with rain and neon lights. The results are usually very detailed with realistic camera movement and lighting. Image to video. You can also upload an image and animate it. This is useful for turning photos into moving scenes, creating AI influencers, animating characters, bringing artwork to life. The motion quality here is one of Kling's strongest features. Better realism and physics. Kling 3.0 improved motion realism compared to older versions. Human movement, facial expressions, water effects, lighting, and camera motion generally look smoother and more natural now. This helps videos feels less AI generated. Camera controls. Kling gives users more cinematic control. You can create zoom shots, tracking shots, slow motion scenes, dynamic camera movement, and this is useful for creators who want more professional looking AI videos. Longer video generation. Compared to many AI video tools that only create very short clips, Kling can generate relatively longer scenes with better consistency. That makes it more practical for storytelling and short form filmmaking. User interface. The interface is fairly simple. You enter prompts, upload images if needed, choose settings, and generate videos. Beginners can use it without much experience, although advanced prompting definitely improves results. Generation speed depends on server load and the plan you are using. Pros: excellent visual quality. Kling 3.0 can produce very cinematic results with realistic lighting and movement. For many users, this is its biggest advantage. Strong motion consistency. A lot of AI video tools struggle with weird motion or distorted frames. Kling performs better than many competitors in keeping scenes stable and smooth. Good for creative projects. It works well for YouTube P-roll, AI short films, social media videos, storytelling content, concept trailers, multiple creation modes. Having both text to video and image to video makes the platform more flexible. Cons: generation can be slow. Depending on demand, rendering videos can sometimes take a while. This is common with many AI video platforms right now. Credit based limits. Like most AI generators, Kling uses a credit system. Heavy users may run out of credits quickly, especially when generating multiple high quality videos. Prompt quality matters a lot. Bad prompts usually lead to weak results. To get the best output, you need detailed prompts and some experimentation. Still not perfect. Even though Kling is impressive, it can still produce weird hand movements, small visual glitches, inconsistent objects, occasional unnatural motion, so it is not perfect yet. Pricing: Kling offers both free and paid plans. The free version is useful for testing the platform, but it comes with limited credits and slower generation speeds. Paid plans give more credits, faster rendering, better access to advanced features. Pricing may change over time depending on usage demand. You can check the latest plans on the official website. Is Kling 3.0 worth it? If you want high quality AI generated videos with cinematic visuals, Kling 3.0 is definitely one of the strongest options available right now. It's especially good for content creators, AI filmmakers, social media creators, designers, creative agencies. However, it's best suited for users who are willing to spend time improving prompts and experimenting with styles. If you just want instant perfect videos every time, you may still run into limitations. Final verdict and conclusion: Kling 3.0 is one of the most impressive AI video generators currently available. Its biggest strengths are realistic motion, cinematic quality, strong image to video results, better consistency than many competitors. But like all AI video tools, it still has limitations with rendering speed, credits, and occasional visual errors. Overall, if AI video creation is something you are serious about in 2026, Kling 3.0 is absolutely worth checking out. And that is it for the Kling 3.0 review. If you find this video helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel for more AI tool reviews and comparisons. Share this video to your friends and let me know down below in the comments what is the best AI video generator you have ever used so far. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.